So we're going to see with the beginning of the Perch digestive system that it has a gigantic strong jaw mouth that's going to capture prey but also start that mechanical breakdown. They're going to have these strong jaws and they're actually going to have small sharp teeth, not canines. Let's see, what's a good one? So you're going to see next that behind this liver here, there's an esophagus, so here's the mouth. The food is going to travel through the esophagus and it is going to come down into the stomach here. We're going to have the stomach where the food is going to be chemically digested. So this is where you're going to see the acid breakdown of the food, and then we're going to see this liver here that's going to be acting like a kind of like a chemical plant. It's going to be just producing bile that's going to enhance this digestion. We have pancreas a little over in this area. It's going to basically just another organ that helps with digestion. Then we have the intestines. You can see the intestines in here. Obviously, this is going to not only provide the absorption of nutrients, but also carrying food from the stomach and other digestive organs to the anus to be expelled for what is the waste. And then obviously the anus is what's going to be excreting material. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is comparing the perch to the earthworm. One of the similarities is going to be the fact that they are basically going to have this, mouth to anus just tube where the food just kind of goes through one direction, boom, boom. One of the differences is obviously going to be the fact that the perch is going to have all these assistive digestive organs to aid in the actual digestion of these, more protein-rich foods that it's going to be hunting for, whereas the worm is going to be eating whatever is in the soil and kind of grinding it up in its crop and so forth. One of the similarities that the perch will have with the crayfish is going to be the fact that both of their digestive systems are going to be breaking down other animals. So they're going to be having this mechanical, chemical digestion of other animal parts and tissues. One of the differences is going to be that the crayfish actually has that two main sections of the stomach. It's going to have that gastric mill, and it's really going to grind up that food. And the perch is not really going to have this super heavy mechanical digestion, but more so these digestive chemical enzymes from these organs. The next thing that we're going to see is going to be between the perch and the squid. They're actually going to have a similarity in the fact that this is going to be like a jaw mouth that latches onto and will start a mechanical breakdown of prey, very similarly to how a squid is going to have that beak that we saw last week. That's going to also initiate the mechanical breakdown, latch onto, and bite prey. The difference is going to be the fact that the squids are going to have this radula within their buccal cavity for that initial food processing.